Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're unboxing the Tribit StormBox 2, a wireless Bluetooth speaker that delivers powerful bass, immersive 360-degree sound, and long battery life. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Inside the box, we have user manual, a quick guide to help you maximize all the features, USB Type-C cable for fast and efficient charging, and the Tribit StormBox 2 speaker. Let's check out its design and build. Before we dive into the details, here are the key features that makes the Tribit StormBox 2 an amazing speaker. Wireless stereo pairing. Pair two StormBox 2 speakers together for true stereo sound in a 360 degrees auditory adventure. Listen to what you want. Personalize your music style via the Tribit app with adjustable EQ settings. 360 degrees immersive sound. Unleash the power of music from every direction, giving you a true surround sound feel. IPX7 waterproof. Take it to the pool, beach, or even the shower, no worries about water damage. Up to 24 hours playtime, patented run stretch technology, and a 5200 mAh battery keep your music going all day. And lastly, 34 watts powerful stereo sound. Feel the heavy bass with XBass technology and a 34 watts high-performance speaker. Now, before we take a closer look, here's a quick rundown of the StormBox 2 specifications. I choose the black color because it has a sleek, modern look and the fabric exterior gives it a premium yet rugged feel. This speaker is built for both indoor and outdoor use, making it the perfect companion for any occasion. With its IPX7 waterproof rating, you can enjoy music by the pool, at the beach, or even in the shower without any worries. Now let's take a look at the controls. Power button turns the speaker on and off. Bluetooth button for pairing devices. XBass button enhances the bass for deeper, richer sound. TWS button enables wireless stereo pairing, letting you connect two StormBox 2 speakers for a wider stereo sound experience. We also have here the aux input for wired connections and the USB-C charging port. For the best experience, download the Tribit app. It lets you adjust EQ settings to customize your sound, upgrade the firmware for better performance, and explore extra features to enhance your listening experience. It's available on both Android and iOS, so you can listen to what you want exactly how you want it. When charging, the power button lights up red, indicating the battery is refilling. Let's power it on and connect it to Tribit app. Once connected, you can adjust volume, skip tracks forward or backward, and customize the equalizer settings. The StormBox 2 comes with a 5200 mAh battery and run stretch technology, giving you up to 24 hours of playtime. Now let's check out the playback controls. Plus button increases volume. Minus button decreases volume. Circle button, play, pause, next, back. Press once to pause and play. Press twice to skip to the next track. And press 3 times to go back to the previous track. Now let's play a song and check the sound quality. The Tribit StormBox 2 features 34 watts stereo sound, producing rich, deep bass and crisp high. With XBass technology, the low-end frequencies feel powerful and immersive, while the 360 degrees audio design ensures the sound fills the entire space. If you're looking for something more compact, I've also reviewed the Tribit StormBox Mini. It's a great choice for portability, but the StormBox 2 has more powerful bass thanks to XBass and 34 watts stereo output, longer battery life for extended playtime, and better immersive sound experience for both indoor and outdoor use. If you want bigger, bolder sound, the StormBox 2 is the way to go. The Tribit StormBox 2 delivers exceptional sound quality, deep bass, and impressive battery life. If you want a premium audio experience at a budget-friendly price, this is definitely a great buy. If you're interested, check the video description for the shop link. I highly recommend it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. See you in the next video.